A flooring tile with the shape of a parallelogram with the base 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? Tile can be cut as per the requirement. Solution will be area of the parallelogram tile will be equal to base into height. This is the tile, which is the height, which is the base, which is given. It is equal to 10 into 24, which is equal to 240 centimeter square. Now, area of the floor is equal to 1080 meter square. We have to convert meter into centimeter first. So it is 1080 into 100 into 100 centimeter square. So it will become 1080,000 centimeter square. Now the number of tiles required will be equal to area of the floor divided by area of one tile, which is equal to 108 5 times 0 over 240. So number of tiles required will be 45,000. We need 45,000 tiles to cover the floor.